originally, to keep pests out, I put a lining of the fencing on the inside of the door, but it would be really difficult sometimes to get into the actual garden because I'll have to lift it up and it would knock over these marigolds and then knocked over the marigolds that are right here that I have to tie up again. So I'm going to show you from the inside how difficult it was and how I'm going to take this netting off and put it on the outside of the door. So here is how the fencing looks from the inside. I will open the door and this will be right here, and as you can see, the flowers, the marigolds, are in the way. So I will always have to take this right here from this corner and pull it all the way up here and hook on my shelf. But I have another set of marigolds that are standing right here, and sometimes there will be a bee right here and I wouldn't want to disturb it, so I would have to wait for it to move, or I would just have to take a chance to move this fencing up here in order for me to get into my garden. And sometimes it'll fall, it'll knock over these marigolds, and then I will have to push this out of the way and go under like this. So I'm going to take this fencing off from the inside of here and put it on the outside of the door. So now all that's left to do is to cut out the door handle for the fencing and then secure it around it.